Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? You all must be wondering what is this cards about and why I have kept it in this way. So these are the cards of Isis. So I'm just going to take out random cards and I'm going to tell you how you can do. Most of you all who have been following me have done my workshop with Isis and I've seen beautiful changes also. So let's just pick the first card. A beautiful card, Spirit of the Isis, Triumph of the Goddess. So this card usually comes when it is to surrender and let go things. When I say surrender and let go things, it does not mean give up. It means, can you see her? She's facing it with faith. She's facing it as if she knows she's going to win, and she knows that with her inner power, she will do anything that she wants. So here, when this card has come today for your reading, I would say work on yourself, bring out the best in you, bring out the beautiful, amazing inner you, and see what needs to be done for you to be successful. See what needs to be done so that you are not dominated by anyone, but you are ready to rule the world, and you're ruling your work, you're ruling your career, you're ruling everything. This comes when Isis wants to tell you that the time has come for you to become successful. So let go of all the attachments, let go of all the fears, let go of all the frustrations, and just surrender to me and see the surprises that I bring. Believe in me and see the miracles that I bring in your life. Whenever this comes, whatever is the issue that you're facing, it may be health, it may be wealth, it may be career, it may be relationship, whatever it is, she is going to bring in fruition. She is going to give you the best results, and she is going to be the person who will bring miracles in your life. So today when you see this, you have to just tell her, oh dear Goddess Isis, stand by me, bless me, always be there by me. If possible today, burn a white candle or a red candle. I love burning a red candle for her, so if you can burn a red candle, just burn the red candle, look into this card and just tell, Spirit of Isis, a beautiful goddess, your love is more powerful than anything in this world. Your blessings are more than powerful than anything in this world. Your love, your blessings makes me strong. Your love, your blessings make me confident. Be by me, bring success in my life. Thank you, oh dear Goddess, for always being there for me and loving me and supporting me. Just say this and start your day, and I'm sure today she's going to bring in loads and loads of blessings, and she's going to bring in beautiful, beautiful miracles your way. Have a beautiful, blessed day, and may Isis bless you all with lots and lots of happiness and blessings.